AI coding tools are replacing entire workflows right now. So today we are comparing three biggest AI coding assistants, which is the OpenCode, Claude, and Cursor, to find out which one is actually worth it. Let's get started. So the OpenCode is built for developers who want an open, terminal-first AI coding workflow. It's lightweight, customizable, and feels closer to a powerful coding agent. The Cloud Code is Anthropic's coding focused AI experience powered by cloud models. It's actually designed for deep reasoning, large code bases, and understanding context extremely well. And Cursor, on the other hand, it's basically the VS Code with AI deeply integrated into it. You can do autocomplete, code generation, debugging, and refactoring. Everything happens directly inside the editor. The pros of these platforms are like for open code, I can say it's open and customizable, and it's great for advanced developers, and it's lightweight and fast. You have more control over models and integrations with open code. Whereas on cloud code, it's best for reasoning and code understanding. It's excellent for large code bases, and it's strong at debugging and explaining logics. And Cursor here, it provides the easiest onboarding experience. It has a beautiful VS code integration. It has fast autocomplete and editing features, and and also the great user interface and developer experience is pretty good on these ones. But on the downside here, the Cursor can hallucinate confidently because it relies heavily on good prompts as well, and the context handling still struggles on huge project. And Cloud Code also has some drawbacks. It's slower than Cursor in rapid workflows, and can overthink simple task as well. And it's expensive for heavy usage. And Open Code here also has some negatives here, which is like it's not beginner friendly. Okay, you need there's some steep learning curve involved, and it requires more manual configuration. So it's not a plug and play. So I would say if you're a beginner, just go with Cursor because it's the easiest to use and the smoothest experience you'll get it. And if you're a professional developer, Cloud probably might be the strongest because for large production code bases especially. But if you are like a power user or a hacker, then OpenCode gives you the more freedom and control. So it's for developers who want AI integrated into their workflow. So at this point, the question isn't whether AI will help developers, it's which AI developer survives your workflow.